Welcome back to Homes and Wheel. This is the 2027 Ford Bronco, and at first glance, it's clear that Ford has stayed true to the Bronco's legendary off-road DNA while giving it a more refined and modern appearance. The bold front grille proudly displays the iconic Bronco lettering, instantly making a strong statement. The signature round LED headlights preserve the classic Bronco identity while delivering a premium, high-tech look. The rugged front bumper, integrated skid plate, and muscular hood aren't just for style, they're designed to handle challenging terrain with confidence. Wide all-terrain tires and factory alloy wheels emphasize its adventure-ready capability, while the elevated stance gives the SUV an aggressive road presence. Every body line has been carefully sculpted to balance durability with modern design, making the Bronco look equally at home on mountain trails or city streets. From this front angle, the 2027 Ford Bronco perfectly combines heritage, toughness, and contemporary engineering, creating an SUV that's built for drivers who want both everyday practicality and serious off-road performance. Moving to the rear, the 2027 Ford Bronco continues its bold and functional design. The signature LED taillights, full-size rear-mounted spare tire, and iconic Bronco badging instantly highlight its adventurous character. The rugged rear bumper and factory tow hooks reinforce its off-road capability, while the clean tailgate design blends practicality with modern styling. Every detail is engineered to deliver durability, confidence, and unmistakable Bronco identity. Step inside the 2027 Ford Bronco, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly blends rugged capability with modern comfort. Premium leather seats provide excellent support for both daily driving and off-road adventures. The fully digital instrument cluster and large touchscreen infotainment system keep essential information and entertainment within easy reach. The original Ford steering wheel, durable dashboard, metallic accents, and thoughtfully designed center console create a refined yet adventure-ready atmosphere. With advanced factory controls and a spacious layout, the Bronco's interior is built to keep every journey comfortable, connected, and ready for whatever lies ahead. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford Bronco showcases its advanced EcoBoost turbocharged engine, engineered to deliver a strong balance of power and efficiency. The clean factory layout features neatly organized wiring, a well-designed intake system, optimized cooling components, and an accessible battery placement for easier maintenance. Every detail reflects Ford's focus on durability, performance, and reliability, making the Bronco ready for demanding off-road adventures as well as everyday driving.